Welcome to Navneet TopSchool. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the content library to access textbooks, lesson plans, and videos. Textbook. Log into TopSchool, go to the menu, and click on Content Library. Select Textbook as your content type. Choose your grade, subject, chapter, and topic. Open the textbook and click Full Screen. Switch between single or dual page view, navigate using next and previous page, and use zoom in or zoom out for better visibility. Lesson plan. Select lesson plan, apply the same filters, and open your lesson. Review the basic details, then check the resources section for linked videos and textbooks to support your teaching. Video. Select video, filter by grade, subject, chapter, and topic, and click on your video. Hit full screen for the best experience. You can also like, share, bookmark, or add it to your collections for easy access later. That's it. Everything you need: textbooks, lesson plans, and videos, all in one place.